Mineral is our topic. Here we will see the mode of occurrence of mineral, then classification of mineral, and conventional and non-conventional source of energy, and then conservation of mineral. Now what is mineral? Minerals are inorganic substance that is not made up of living things, and they occur naturally on earth and have a specific chemical composition and crystalline structure. Okay, specific chemical composition and crystalline structure. Now again they are categorized based on the physical properties such as color, what is their color, what is the luster, that is their glow, and the density, the degree of compactness of a substance. So this is the definition of minerals. Now what are the mode of occurrence of minerals? Minerals occur in this form, that is in the igneous and metamorphic rock. Whenever the minerals in liquid or molten and gaseous form forcefully came upward from the cavities present towards the surface of the earth, it took shapes, and while coming up they cool and harden due to decrease in temperature, and we will get the minerals like tin and copper. Since we know that igneous rocks that are formed when the magma cools down and solidify, and the metamorphic rocks that have just come out from they change the original their shape from due to the high heat and pressure, we get the minerals, right? And sedimentary rock, here the formation of minerals we will get whenever the layers are deposited. Okay, so the formation of sedimentary rocks occurs due to the deposition, accumulation, and concentration of horizontal strata, and these rocks have various mineral present as beds or layer. Example, gypsum, potash, salt, or sodium salt. So layers of sediments that accumulate on earth's surface, whenever these are accumulated we get the minerals. For example, gypsum, potash, salt, and sodium salt. After that weathering, the natural process, here also we will get some minerals. So whenever the rocks are break down at earth's surface by physical, chemical, or biological process, they leave a residual masses and we get ores. Okay, and bauxite is a form from this. So bauxite is formed from this natural process, which is a mineral. Now what is a ore? Ore is a natural rock from which minerals is extracted in a convenient and economical way. After that we will get minerals in the that are found in alluvial deposit, in sands or valley floors and the hill base. These minerals are not corroded, it means not damaged by the water. Example, gold and silver, right? And finally we will see some minerals are found in oceans also. So ocean contain vast quantities of mineral. Example, the common salt, magnesium, and bromine. However, most of the minerals are widely dispersed in ocean. It means they are scattered in ocean to get any economic value, right? So this is the mode of occurrence. Now let us see the classification of minerals. Minerals are classified into metallic, non-metallic, and energy. And in the metallic we will see the ferrous that contain the iron, non-ferrous which don't contain the iron, and then the precious, that is the gold and silver. Okay, and the non-metallic, as the name indicates, they don't have any metals. And finally energy minerals. So ferrous minerals are those which contain iron. They are magnetic in nature, that is the magnet are occur naturally here, and they are good conductor of electricity. They have more weight, and India is a good producer of this one, ferrous minerals. That is, after meeting her internal demand, India exports a substantial quantity of ferrous mineral. So India is rich in good quantity of iron. Ores like the magnetite, hematite are important. So you can write the example of ferrous mineral, that is magnetite and hematite also. And India is a good exporter of ferrous minerals. Now where are these ferrous minerals are found in India? They are found in the Odisha Jharkhand belt, Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt that lies in Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra, Ballari Chittadurga Chikangulla Tumakura belt in Karnataka, and Maharashtra Goa belt. Now these ores are exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. And manganese is also a ferrous mineral that is mainly used in manufacturing of steel, and it is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder and insecticides and paint. Now after that, second one is the non-ferrous mineral, that is which don't contain any iron. They are bad conductor of electricity, they have less weight, and they are non-magnetic. Okay, and moreover India have a few reserve of non-ferrous minerals. So copper is malleable. Example is copper. Copper is malleable, as malleable means press into shape without breakdown or cracking. Ductile, that is it can be able to drawn out into a thin wire. And it is found in the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand are leading producer of copper in India. So bauxite is also non-ferrous mineral, that is deposit formed by the decomposition of wide variety of rocks rich in aluminum silicate. So India bauxite are mainly found in Amarkantak, Maikal Hills, Odisha. Odisha was the largest bauxite producing state in India in the year 2016 and 17. Okay, So since we don't have good deposition of, we are limited here. Few reserves are there of non-ferrous minerals, okay, but India is good in ferrous minerals, okay, they have a large deposit of there, we can mine it. Now the non-metallic mineral, as the name indicates, mineral do not contain metals in them, okay. An example is mica. It can be clear, black, green, red, yellow or brown in color. Now mica deposits are found in Rajasthan, Nellore belt of Andhra Pradesh and the northern edge of Chota Nagpur plateau. Another example of non-metallic is the limestone, that is a rock mineral. It is basic raw minerals for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. Now what is smelting? That is the extraction of metal from its ore by a process involving heating and melting, okay. So these are the classification. Finally we will see conventional and non-conventional source of energy. So conventional, it is derived from fossil fuel like coal, natural gas, whereas non-conventional, it comes from renewable source such as solar, wind and geothermal. Now what is fossil fuel here? That is a natural fuel, and renewable means that will always exist, okay, it will always be there. Now conventional source of energy is non-renewable and its availability is limited. It means non-renewable means it can be continued or replaced with new one for another period of time. And non-conventional is renewable and abundant. After that, it contributes in carbon emission and climatic change, conventional source, whereas non-conventional, it is environmental friendly and zero carbon emission. Conventional source of energy has established a market and well supply chain, whereas non-conventional source of energy is growing. Now conservation of mineral, we have to conserve the minerals, and how we are going to do? So we are going to do by using renewable sources, that will always exist. Example, solar power, hydroelectricity. And we can also conserve through recycling, that is the recycling of the scrap material. It means we can convert and use the reusable materials, right? And finally we can conserve by ensuring minimal wastage during mining. So this is our topic, the minerals.